There's an event happening at the airport this weekend. It's a very important event that everyone is invited to, and it's going to be a lot of fun, too. It is Wings Full of Wishes to benefit the Make-A-Wish Foundation here, the local Make-A-Wish Foundation. And Sarah Peterlin is here to talk about this event. Sarah, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
This is going on for a lot of years now. This is actually the 10th annual Wings Full of Wishes.
This is our 10th annual, and I would say our biggest and our best one yet. It's this Sunday, July 11th. It starts at 10 a.m. at the Hazleton Airport, and we have a radio-controlled air show and a car cruise, all to benefit the local Make-A-Wish Foundation. So on the radio-controlled side, we have turbine jets, which will fly 150 miles per hour. We have models that range in $250 to $10,000 in range. We have flying lawnmowers, witches, smiley faces. We have wingspans over 8 feet. And then we also have actually 3 helicopters coming from the Pennsylvania Army National Guard. We have a Black Hawk, a Chinook, and an Apache coming, and they're probably the greatest thing. You can get inside them, children can climb in them, you can have pictures taken with them. It's really nice. They'll be coming from Fort Indiantown Gap. They'll be coming around noon, and right around noon we'll also have local skydivers jumping out of an airplane holding the American flag for everyone to see. We'll have the Greater Kensington String Band, 20 members playing, entertainment, kids games, something for everyone, free parking and free admission too.
Very good. And this is all for such a very important cause. I shouldn't even say just great cause, a very important cause, because all the money that's raised on Sunday actually goes to help grant local wishes of children who are terminally ill, and they just, like you said, want to go to Disney World.
Yes, yeah, it's about $3,400 to grant a wish for a Make-A-Wish child. All the money will stay in our local area, and we have most children want to go to Disney or they want to meet a professional player in one of the sports, but it's something to take these kids to have a day to forget about treatments, to forget about being ill, to have a good time.
Right.
So we welcome everyone to come this Sunday and help these kids to make their lives a little better.
Absolutely, and everything gets started at 10 a.m., right?
10 a.m., yeah.
A lot of the activities kick off around noon, right?
Exactly.
Okay, very good. So it's at the Hazleton Municipal Airport. Very, very easy to find. It's right off the airport beltway. You can't miss it, and it's definitely fun for all ages. Even if you're not into maybe remote control airplanes or radio control airplanes, there's going to be real helicopters on display from the National Guard and entertainment, food, and so much more.
Excellent.
All right, thanks so much. We're going to have more on this event tomorrow live at 5:30 right here on News 13 as well, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Sarah, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
We'll see you Sunday.
Thanks.
Okay.